And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, the big hot ridge expanding back north and northeastward, and it's this warm front that's kind of the leading push of the heat. So it's not going to get nearly as cool as it was last night. Last night, 59 to 63. Tonight, closer to 70 to the low 70s and getting kind of muggy out there. And we've got one cluster of storms right here that's going to pass northeast of our area and weaken. There's another complex of storms on the periphery of that ridge we call the Ring of Fire. One of these storm complexes here will kind of miss us, but I'm really thinking the tail end of that one, and especially this one out here in South Dakota, that's the one that could come in here very late tomorrow morning through midday and early afternoon that is prompting the slight risk of severe weather for our area. And the main threat would be damaging straight line wind gusts scattered with this line of storms as it kind of dives in like that in from the north-northwest during that very late morning through midday and early afternoon period. So tomorrow we heat up very rapidly ahead of it. I mean, 92 for the high, but that's going to be noon or a little before. And then we get the storms through, and then after that it cools off. You know, at 3 it's 79, but then we bounce back to 83 by 5 o'clock, and it'll be kind of breezy from a southerly direction, breezy to windy that is, from a southerly direction tomorrow. So naturally with the line coming in like this, it'll be a little cooler in the northwest. The line gets there earlier. So 88 at Rensselaer, but it's 93 at Attica, mid-90s Petersburg, and mid-90s down towards Frankfort. 88 to 96 for highs, and we'll briefly see that heat index get mid-90s to about 109. Now on Wednesday, the actual cold front comes through. So with that coming through, near 11 or midday to mid-afternoon, there will be a scattering of some showers and storms. Not expecting severe weather at this point, though. And about 85 for your high, then cooling off a hair later on in the day. Kind of breezy to windy as well. The wind turning to the northwest. And there's the peak heat index and your highs for Wednesday as well. There is Futurecast. Again, tonight we're okay. These storms, again, stay to our northeast, slowly weaken. Watch this complex, though, coming in from the northwest. This is around 11 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. There it is in our northwest county, sinking southward. So once we get to noon, 12:30-ish, here's the line coming in that's prompting the slight risk for severe. There's the line dropping southward with time. This is closer to like 1, maybe 1:30, and then finally by 3 o'clock, it's in our southern counties, pushes out of here. Then we get a break, and then on Wednesday, watch the clock here. We've got a few more scattered showers and a couple thunderstorms for a time. Again, closer to midday and then into part of the afternoon. All right, then it's 83, cooler Thursday. Heat's back Friday. A little bit on Saturday with a couple storms early, and then it cools off. Then the heat's really cranked up well into the 90s next week.